Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am taking unit 3, that is the probability and probability distribution. We are continuing with binomial distribution sums. So in the previous video I have taken the first sum of binomial distribution and I have left the link in the description below, so you can go back to that video and check that out. So now in this particular video I am taking sum 2. So now let me explain. The question says, in a sampling, a large number of parts manufactured by a machine, the mean number of defectives in the sample of 20 is 2. Now, out of 1000 such samples, how many would be expected to contain at least 3 defective parts? This is also a very simple but a very important sum. So, watch till the end. So, we'll first write the solution. Now, we'll write what is given in the question. Now, in the question, they have given that the mean number of defectives in the sample of 20 is 2. So, mean, that is m is equal to 2. Now, if you remember, in the first video of unit 3, I have told the formula for mean. The formula for mean is m is equal to np. So, np. Now, when we have mean over here, then we have n. Now n is 20 because the sample of 20. So therefore the n will be 20 over here. So now we have m and we have n. Now we have to find p. So p is equal to 2 upon 20. Now if you want to find p, now see, if this is the formula, m is equal to np. Now if you want to find p, our formula will be m upon n is equal to p. So this is what we have used in this place. So therefore our p will be 0.1. Okay, now when we have a p, we can find q. So our p is equal to 0.1. This is our n. Then we have to find q. Q is equal to 1 minus p. Therefore it is 0.9. So therefore q is equal to 0.9. Now we have all the required information to solve a sum. We have n, p, q, everything. Now this 1000 is the big N, is equal to 1000. Okay, so this will require later. Now let me explain you all this. See. Note, when the experiment is repeated n number of times, frequency of our success will be n into the binomial distribution formula. So this will use in this sum. Now note what they are telling. They are telling that at least 3 defective part. Now the at least 3 defective part we have to underline, we have to understand. They are telling this 3 defective part out of this 20. Okay, so now here is a condition, that is at least 3 defective. Okay, so now at least 3 defective means 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, that is कम से कम 3. So over here there are till 20, so it should be at least 3 or more than 3 it can be. So it will be p of, so what we will find is, it will be p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5. This case of at least I have explained in the previous video. If you all don't understand, please go back to my previous video and check that out. I have left the link in the description below. So plus p of 6 plus p of 7 up to plus p of 20. Now a shortcut way to solve this is 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. So now we have to write the binomial distribution formula for these things. So it will become 1 minus, for p of 0 it will be 20c0 into p, that is 0.1 raised to 0, that is r. Now this is r, okay. 0.9 raised to 20, because 20 minus 0 will be 20. Now plus. Now for P of 1, it will be 20C1, 0.1 raised to 1, 0.9 raised to 19 plus. Now we'll solve for P of 2. Now 19 how? Because 20 minus 1 will be 19. In the previous video I've explained about the formula for binomial distribution. So now we'll do for P of 2. It will be 20C2, 0.1 raised to 2, 0.9 raised to 18. Now this entire thing will solve in the calci. I'll leave the answer here. You can check that out. You have to try all this solving in the calci by yourself. So I'm leaving the answer over here for the reference. So it is 0.3233. Now what they're telling, that this is at least 3. It will be for the sample that they have given over here, that is 20 for the 20. Now if 1000 such samples are there, so what we have to do is we have to multiply. See now, for 1000 such samples. Now this is a B condition in this. We have to multiply this thing with 1000 into 0.3233. Now our n is 1000 into 0.233. Therefore, solve this in the calci. The answer is 32 into 0.3, 3.3. So this is the final answer. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking more examples related to binomial distribution, so stay tuned. Also, I upload videos every Monday to Saturday, so until then, keep watching. Thank you.